Akiaria thuutha wa kuruguria moomanio ma ugendi ma kanana nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC, minista wa ugendi Najib Balala ni augite ati kuhetukira mutambo wa rurenda rwa kuria marua ma gwitikirio kuingira bururi-ini niguo e-visa, agendi ni marihotaga kuingira bururi-ini gutari na mihinga.
From January this year, even the African continent countries can be able to get on e-visa. There's not a problem, and it takes a few minutes, but also they can get their visas on arrivals at the airport.
I have seen, and my team we've seen since we came, has really been a learning experience. And I want to say to him and the rest of Kenya that what we have seen, I will want to suggest that Kenya should be the leading country in Africa for tourism.
Thirikari kuhetukira munene wa aruti a wira a muingi Joseph Kinyua ni hinyiriirie aruti wira othe a muingi kwiyandikithia kuoya marua macio ma e-citizen, akiuga ati gutire muruti wa wira wa muingi egwitikirio guthie ng'endo cia nja atari na marua macio kuma mweri wa gatatu mwaka turorete. Kuumana na moomanio maya, Balala ni ongereire kuga ni merigireire namba ya agendi aria maraingira Kenya mwaka uyu kuongerereka nginyagia milioni 2.5 ukiringithanio na milioni 1.1 ya agendi aria macerire bururi-ini mwaka muthiru.
This year we have held visitors who are buyers, almost 150 buyers from all over the world, 25 countries, who are here to see for themselves what are the products available, what are the changes have taken place in the country, and also how do we work together with Kenya Tourism Board and market the destination.
Sekta ya ugendi ni imwe ya sekta iria irehagira bururi kigina kinene kiondo-ini gia thirikari kumana na namba nene ya agendi aria maumaga mabururi-ini ma-nanja.
This is the best opportunity to create new jobs. This is faster opportunity to create new jobs, and that's our main objective. Our main objective is to create more and more jobs every year via tourism.
Moomanio ma umuthi ni merigereirwo kugacirithia makiria ngwataniro ya Kenya na mabururi ma nja, muno maundu megie ugendi. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Kimathi wa Maina.